model of respiratory system. This part shows the windpipe, or we can say trachea. This is plastic bottle that represent the ribcage. These are two straws that represent the bronchiole. These are two balloons that represent the lungs, and this is also a balloon that represent the diaphragm. Lungs are the breathing station of our body. Lungs help us in breathing. There are two lobes in our body. Left lung and right lung. Left lung has two lobes and right lung has three lobes. Left lung is smaller than right lung because left lung gives space to the heart. The role of the lungs in our body is that the lungs and respiratory system allows us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our body called inspiration or inhalation and send carbon dioxide out called expiration or exhalation. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The relationship of the lungs with the outside environment is the lungs release carbon dioxide into the environment, and the trees and plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the environment to breathe in. The causes of air pollution are the burning of fossil fuels, smoke from vehicles, and smoke from factories. There are many kinds of air pollutants. That causes air pollution, like burning of fossil fuels, smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, etc. And it causes lung disease, lung cancer, asthma, etc. Trees giving oxygen. Trees play an important role of absorb carbon dioxide from the air. We can protect our lungs by wearing our masks. Thank you. Hello, my name is Shamila. I study in class 5A. My topic is about breathing. Today I will tell you about breathing stage. This is a breathing model. This is straw. They represent trachea and balloons that attach with bronchioles. This is diaphragm. Lungs allow us to breathe in and out because all cells need oxygen to breathe. Hello everyone, my name is Anita. I study in class 5A. Today my topic is breathing. Today I will tell about my topic. This is 3D model of respiratory system. The lungs are a system. It allows to we inhale carbon dioxide and we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The lungs inhale oxygen and take out carbon dioxide from the blood and give to the environment. Vehicle smoke, fire smoke, factory smoke. Common air pollutants include particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, etc. Fever, lung damage, lung cancer. The tree gives fresh air and clean air. We will eat healthy food through exercise. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Isha. I am from class 5B. This is a 3D model of our respiratory system. This is trachea and these are lungs attached to the bronchi. This is a balloon that shows us diaphragm. Now Atika is going to tell you about the lungs. The lungs are breathing cells that help us to breathe easily. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe carbon dioxide. The presence of air pollution is smoke. The presence of common air pollution in my surrounding, methane oxide, smoke, carbon dioxide, and nitric oxide. The common air pollution is smoke, and the Negative effect on lungs is asthma, lung cancer, and many more. So, relationship of the lungs in our surrounding is that we breathe in oxygen that the trees give us, and we breathe out carbon dioxide that our trees need. And the causes of air pollution is burning of trash, burning of fossil fuels, and smoke, PVC. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rashid. I am from grade 5. Today, let me prepare and this program. This is the theory model of respiratory system. This is the bronchial. This is the trachea. The second name of trachea is windpipe. This is a ribcage. In the ribcage, we have balloons that call lungs. That is bronchioles and that is diaphragm.
The main role of lungs in our body is to help us to breathe. We breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
Relationship of the lungs with the environment give out carbon dioxide and take in oxygen.
Causes of air pollution are smoke of particles, factories, smoke of vehicles, and burning fossil fuel. The role of trees in our environment to take carbon dioxide and give oxygen to us. That's why we breathe healthy. We protect our lungs in polluted air by wearing a mask and do not make smoke near the factory. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Mama. I study in grade 5A. My topic is Breathe Healthy. Today I am going to tell about this topic. This is the respiratory system. We breathe oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. Commonly pollution is a harmful substance for us, like smoke or pollution in the environment.
This is the model of respiratory system. So, this is represented by also known as trachea. These are the two things which is present in bronchioles. These are two lungs. These are two balloons which is present balloons. This is the lower part of respiratory system, also known as diaphragm.
I will tell you about how healthy our lungs. We do not smoking and work smoke, do daily exercises, and be healthy and also I will tell you that the lungs are the respiratory system of our body, and it inhales carbon dioxide and emits oxygen.